Hello guys, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome to this channel at St. Andrew. 5 o'clock in the morning here at Kinon Road. Medyo mag-inat-inat dahil inaantok ang aming driver. Yan. Inat-inat, inat-inat. Na-curious sila dun sa bahay na magkadugtong. Ayan. The river of no return. Delikado pala itong pinakan namin. Sakit. Baka guguho. Guguho talaga. Bye! Thank you for watching guys!